Okay, this is just the warm-up.
Val, you just taught me something. I never knew that about the camera.
What?
But you just gotta slide it. I didn't know you could.
These kids will teach you a lot of things that we don't know.
Video.
That's why we had children, Daddy, so they can teach us things.
Okay, everybody, I'd like to introduce myself.
She's a second comedian.
I'd like to introduce myself, everybody. My name is actually Debbie Pritchett. Okay, everybody, you look a little, kind of tired. So, let's start this comedy show off with a little music. Go.
Can't hear anything.
Technical issues.
Okay, things
I know what's wrong.
things are looking up.
Just some technical. Okay, I will.
Let's just pause this for the moment.
Ladies and gentlemen, maybe we might want to pause this one. Pause.
Debbie, you having a seizure?
No, she's not allowed to go on my turn.
You were going in my
Take it
turn.
easy.
Mama, I
Come
need
on,
you to
both of
figure
you.
out
Hey,
how to
both
work
of you.